Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to turn on a mono sound in our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To turn on our mono sound, we have to go to the settings, of course, then we have to scroll all the way down to the accessibility options. Now we have hearing enhancements right here. We have to go here, and here we have our mono audio. Play the same sound out of both speakers. So tap it once, and now it should be working. We can change to audio phone speakers, whatever we need. To turn it off, tap it once again, uncheck this little box, and that's it. Our default settings is back. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.